Hello guys, so today we're gonna change the air filter on the Nissan Juke. It's very simple. You just pull the tabs here and there. There is this tab here, and you pull this. Be careful here. You see this? You can remove this, and then you can pull this out. And as you see, the filter needs to be changed. So we're gonna put the new one in. So we have a brand new filter, and we're gonna install it. So we're gonna put the new filter in. You remember, this side faces the engine, this side goes in, so you put it in. You press on the tabs down there. So those tabs, you be sure that it's very strong inside. You push, and then this piping goes like this. So this tab facing up. You go down here, just be careful with the wires. Click, click, click. Then I'm gonna have a look. What is that thing? It looks like a breather from the gearbox. It should be a breather for the gearbox. Never mind. It should be okay. It's fine. We're gonna start the engine. Obviously, we're gonna remove this, and it should be okay. Yep. So, thank you very much for watching. This is how you change your filter on your Juke.